What's going on? It's Steve here. Hope you're doing amazing today. This is a 3-minute, really simple beginner guitar lesson for Riptide by Vance Joy. You only need to know 4 chords. Most of it's just really repetitive with that A minor to the G to the C. Hey, I'm getting into the lesson already. Let's just go. So I got my capo on the 1st fret right there. Capo on the 1st fret, and that allows you to play an A minor shape. So it's A minor according to your fingers. Technically, we're one step up from that in terms of the actual song, but that's where they play it, A minor. So play A minor, and give it this kind of strumming pattern. Ready? To the G chord, G major. So whether you play it like this, or whether you play it like that, then you go to C major. C major like that. So and it does that over and over and over and over again until you might be bored, but if you got some singers with you or you're singing, you'll do just fine. So A minor, G major, C major, A minor, G major, C major. And then, you know that ooh part, all the oohs, it does the same chords. And then when it goes to the chorus, it's, you know, lady, A minor, running down to the G, to the Riptide, to the C major, right there. So once again, it's the same stuff over and over and over and over again. Running down to the Riptide, that's the C major, A minor, G major, C major. All right, I've talked about those chords enough, so when does it change anything? Well, it barely changes something when you get to the bridge. He does an A minor and stays on it for a minute. A minor to the G, same thing. To C major, same thing. But then it goes to an F major. F major. Does that, I think, twice. So it goes... major to the F major. So I just wanna G major to the C major to the F major. Now you could do the 7th, but I play the F major right there. And then it gets right back into that rhythm again with the quicker version of that. G to the C over and over again. So that's it. Riptide by Vance Joy in under 3 minutes. You can play it on a guitar, a ukulele, a violin, a cello, a piano, whatever you got. But today was guitar. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe, share all that good stuff, and I'll catch you for another 3-minute guitar lesson soon. See ya.